What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I made $2,000 on Amazon today. I'm going to show you how I did it. Let's break it down. Let's get right into it. If it's your first time at this channel, check me out, Trading Simplified. There's a bunch of free videos for you. Go through the playlist. You can see the Robinhood, live pre-market trading, my day trading P&L. We're up over $100,000. Crypto trading, index funds, ETFs, and much more. So let's get right into it. Amazon stock. How did I know? How did I make $2,000? Let's break it down. If you look at it on a 1 month chart, zooming out, you will see that we had previous points of resistance from this sell-off of $240 per share, where we were rejecting 224. We had it right here at this moment, which was on September 24th. We rejected, we retested it right up in here on October 3rd, rejection again at the 124 range, waiting for this to break. Where is the entry? Right here. I'm going to circle it for you. Right here, you broke above the 224 mark, and that was the entry. Now zooming in on a 5-day, you can get a clearer picture of where it is. We had that rejection here. Zooming in further on the 1-day now, right here in this area is the entry of punching in. And what you're looking for is that break and retest strategy. So when you zoom out on the 1 month and you see a stock that is completely rejecting right here, rejection up here, rejection right here, and then it breaks above it, I like to buy that first retest, which is right in this zone here. Right there is my entry, 224.3. Entering right in here, this consolidation, proving that we are holding this level. It broke above, went all the way up to $225, sold back down, and then rode it back up for $2,000 gain, which is excellent. That's what you're looking for. And now we can see with Amazon, it is starting to hold this level. There's another point of consolidation right in here, proving that $224.50 is a support level, something we will watch out for tomorrow. It's a quick recap to show you when you're trading stocks, you can find support levels, especially with support and resistance. If you're interested, please check out the 6 more links. You can join the WAP, where we have a community of investors where we all discuss trading each day. You can also become a YouTube member to gain early access to this video that I just posted. And you also have free membership to the Discord. And if you want some access to Robinhood or Gemini Referral Club, you can click on those links and you will gain access and get an intro bonus. Checking out the membership tab, you can get my next swing trade is on here for members only. And then you can get other trading techniques with the YouTube membership, or you can just join the WAP and gain access to all of this. We're mastering the VWAP, dip buying strategy, and much more here. You'll see me on the Wednesdays doing the pre-market analysis as well, and on the TikTok videos as well. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Let me know if you traded Amazon. Are you continuing to buy it before earnings?